First, my name's James Whittemore. I'm the operations manager at the manufacturing facility in Florida for JinkoSolar. And the last 2 years has gone by in the blink of an eye, but they really have been amazing. The Jacksonville Jinko team has learned so much about how to move fast and how to make good quality solar modules, how to design in a dynamic manufacturing environment to make growth and improvements easy in the future. We have especially learned how to keep the modules pumping out of the factory. I'm not a spring chicken when it comes to solar manufacturing. I've been a part of the installation and ramping of 3 US-based solar manufacturing facilities. And what strikes me most impressive about Jinko is our speed. Once we make a decision, we act with resolve and determination to execute in the most safe and efficient way possible. Something like this is shown through our actions. And this site exemplifies that resolve. It took us less than 1 year from site selection to the first module off the production line. That's 1 year, less than 1 year from site selection to first module. That was a wild ride. It was tough. It was really tough, actually. The team worked long and hard hours, but we came together and we turned what was supposed to be a stuffy warehouse into a hustling and bustling 24 hours a day, 7 days a week manufacturing facility. And you know what? The result was there's over 250 people on our team now from the city of Jacksonville and the surrounding areas. And they all have really good manufacturing jobs. We are proud to have had such a positive economic impact on the city of Jacksonville. And the city really has opened their arms for us. The city and especially Chamber of Commerce have been extremely supportive, and they're big contributing factors to our success in bringing manufacturing jobs to Jacksonville. And you know, they showed how much they appreciate by awarding us the JAX USA International Industry Leadership Award in less than 2 years of being a part of their community. You know, we've shipped modules all over the country, but we especially are proud about being a Florida-based facility, shipping modules to Florida-based projects. And that's because we like to be close to our customers. We love to give tours because we like that closeness, and we love to see the visitors oohing and awing over that automation that we work so hard to set up. Now, we'd love for you to come visit us and see our team and our automation in action. Thank you very much. We really think we have a bright future.